Okay, I just want to give you guys a really quick info on how an easy way you can make a PDF from a Word document. So you go to your file and you pull down your file menu where it says print, and right there is a spot right here that says PDF that you can open up, and you'll notice there's an option that says save as a PDF. So you can do that. I'm just calling this Carol Snyder. You can hit save. I've already done it once, so it asked if I wanted to replace it, so I went ahead and replaced it. So now what you'll notice is that I want you guys to go and to submit this to your Turnitin. So what happens is you're going to go to Turnitin, you're going to find this view right here that says free response energy, and your submission is going to be a file right there, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to submit this as this will have your name as a student, and you will then want to just go ahead and choose from this computer to do your submission, and you're going to go find that document that you had opened and you will upload it. Now the thing about it, when you're uploading it, you're going to also need to you're also going to need to make sure that it completely gets uploaded. So there may be, I recall, like another step that it will say to ensure that you want to upload it. So make sure that you hit that button as well. And it's as easy as that. Good luck.